And I'll delete the sound from this too, so.
You don't want to hear my birthday thoughts?
You guys are funny.
Oh yes, they are. Sorry. They're all trying to
Jim, at the end of the video, maybe we can lay out all of the tools that are required. I know it sounds ridiculous. I don't want there to be any possible way for them to confuse themselves. Jim, this seems like it's probably one of the more mechanically complex things that we built here, right?
only the base. The rest of it's pretty standard stuff.
Right.
That sucker didn't even move when I took it all the way up. It didn't move. I figured, the floor's not perfect.
You guys are going to be famous in Roatan. They'll be like showing this at bars. You guys are funny. This is definitely a pimped out pump. Hey! You'd have to catch me first. You got the side panels off?
We're gonna leave that primer so they know exactly where they go.
Right.
So one coupler insert. Doesn't matter which way it goes in. Line the teeth up. The larger one fits pretty easy. Put it on that side, slide it together. If you have difficulty putting together, take the guard off so you can see what you're doing. This will be packed in a box separately with the smaller parts.
Get out of the way. You coming this way? Going that way? Show this again.
Engine side coupler. This is your insert, and again, it doesn't matter which way it goes. You just have to line up the teeth on both sides. Believe it or not, the smaller ones are a little more difficult to line up, so you're probably gonna have to take this off so you can turn it. Just have your clutching disengaged and turn it until the teeth line up. Do not beat and do not pry. It must slide in.
Okay. So Chuck, you're wrapping that around the shaft, right?
Yeah, around the shaft. So we
Uh-huh.
can-
And this they can just lift with a standard forklift?
Coming from this side, you can get just back enough to that.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Rich, if you want to pick it up.
Yeah, let's just show this.
Oh, come on in. Keep going. You're good. You're under. Go up before you tilt. Now tilt.
Sweating, Rich?
It's all my money, don't worry about it.
Very nice, guys. Yeah, let's do this. So this is what I'm thinking, because we're not going to have sound in this video.
Okay.
So what I'm thinking is maybe what we do is we point at each one, and then up on the screen, I'll write across it,
Oh, what it is.
you know, what
Okay.
it is. So let's
Basically,
go
what I
over.
want to say is here's all your small parts.
Right.
All the bolts are the same.
Okay.
Big coupler, big insert, small insert, exhaust stack.
Okay. So we'll just do that sort of one at a time here.
And
These
here's
are the
your basic tools.
these are the nameplates,
Side plates.
side plates, A through D. This is the small coupler. That
Engine
goes
side.
with the engine side. Nuts and bolts and washers
For the side plates.
for the side plates.
Oh, they're all the same.
This is the large coupler for
Pump
the
side.
pump side. This is the exhaust. And then can you just point at each of these tools and tell me what they are?
3/4 inch wrench.
Yep.
3/4 inch wrench.
Yep.
3/4 inch socket. 7/16 wrench.
Yep.
7/16 socket wrench. And just another 3/4
Okay.
socket.